Annex 1 is a cornerstone of maritime environmental protection, focusing on the prevention of pollution by oil. It mandates the measures to minimize the risk of oil spills, ensuring the safety of marine ecosystems and coastal areas. The annex requires ships to have effective equipment and procedures in place, including oil discharging, monitoring system, and segregated ballast tanks. Annex 2 address the control of pollution by noxious liquid substance carried in bulk, such as chemical and other hazardous materials. It sets out comprehensive regulations for the construction, equipment, and operation of ships transporting these substances. The annex includes requirements for the classification of noxious liquid substances, as well as standards for their packaging, labeling, and handling. Annex 3 focuses on preventing pollution by harmful substances carried in package form, including the chemicals, pesticides, and industrial products. It establishes the regulations for the packaging, labeling, and handling of these substances to minimize the risk of pollution during the transport and handling. Annex 4 addresses the prevention of pollution by sewage from ships, aiming to safeguard marine environment and coastal waters. It sets standards for the treatment of sewage and regulates its discharge into the sea. Ships are required to have a sewage treatment plant or systems to treat sewage before discharge. And the annex specifies the standards for effluent quality and discharge locations. Annex 5 aims to prevent pollution by garbage from ships, including plastic, food waste, and other refuse. It prohibits the disposal of most types of garbage at sea and requires a ship to have onboard garbage management plans and facilities for the proper storage and disposal of waste. The annex covers various types of garbage, including the operational waste from ship activities. Annex 6 focuses on reducing air pollution from ships by regulating emissions of sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and other pollutants. It sets limits on emission from a ship's exhaust and mandates the use of fuels with a lower sulfur content, such as low sulfur fuel oil or alternative fuels like liquefied natural gas. MARPOL's Annexes 1 to 6 collectively form a comprehensive framework for the prevention and control pollution from the ships. By addressing different sources of pollution and implementing stringent regulation and standards, these annexes aims to protect marine environments, human health, and coastal communities from the adverse effect of pollution.